Alrighty guys, how are you? So we're still in lockdown here in New Zealand, and it's actually given me quite a lot of times to fiddle around with my cars. So this is going to be my cabin air filter for a Nissan Bluebird year 2005. We'll see what we have here. Alright, so that's the filter itself. There's a manual and some sticky foams for the sides when you put it in. Alright, we got this from super cheap. I'm not too sure with how good Sakura is. So for you to know which way does it go, there's an arrow over here, and this will be facing outside. So it's you're gonna have to slide it in that way, and these go to both sides. Alright, so we'll set it up and try to put it on right now. So here's the car, guys. So if you didn't know, we have right-hand drive vehicles here in New Zealand. Alright, so we're going to the other side. Alright, so your cabin filter will be in your glove box. Alright, so this isn't actually the first time I've taken off the cabin filter in this car. If you can see there are pins right there that holds this thing. You just pretty much have to take them out. Focus, guy. There you go. So that's the one, and there's gonna be another one. Sorry, it's too dark. I just realized, because we got New Zealand imports, Japan import here in New Zealand. That's where like half the cars come from. I'm just realizing, I just really hope this the previous owner changed the air filter from in between this sticker and when I purchased it. Right, so what your cabin air filter does is it filters the air that comes into your car from there should be a vent up front. Let's see, it's not coming out. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so your cabin, that's the housing that stores the cabin filter. Alright, put this down and take that off. So there's a ton of debris there. So again, this isn't the first time that I've taken this off, and the first time was just horrendous. It was so dirty then. God, I'm not even sure if this is the same size. Fingers crossed it is. Fingers crossed. See, I mean, it's a dirty floor, dirty cement. When I took it out the first time, it was just horrible. There was just a ton of dirt there. Alright, so we'll try to slide in the new one. Alright, so again, it says arrow down. That should be going in this way. Now that's barely going in. Let's see. There you go. Alright, so obviously you can't smell it, but this car does have a different, it's a weird smell to it right now, and I'm guessing it's because of that filter. And what you do now is put everything back in. That's that. None. Alright, so we've sorted that out. I actually have another tip here. So it's a known fact that bacteria actually, like, it breeds in dark and moist places. So what we're actually gonna do is try to spray like disinfectant into the air vent that's inside the car. Sorry, right in front of the car. That should be in the dash. So what we do is turn the thing on, crank this up. So what's that's gonna do is suck air into this vent. This one. You can actually feel it. It's this one here. Just those ones. Not so sure how if that's actually visible. Alright, so you you know what, let's just even open the hood. There's gonna be these vents right here. if you can actually have a feel, you can feel it sucking air. So you just spray this. So the air is gonna be the air is gonna be sucking your disinfectant inside, so you can actually smell it coming in. Oh, that smells very lemon. Nice, 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 nice. So you'll probably let it run for a little bit, so it circulates. If you want, you could probably use the whole can if you want. Better cleaning. Smells very nice already. Very, very nice. Let's go for another round. I don't want to be wasting my Dettol since it's my last one and we still have another car to do. Alright, so what we do right now is close the hood and maybe take it for a spin. I wouldn't suggest driving this with the door closed since even though it's disinfectant, it might irritate your nose. So we're closing the hood now. Yeah, quite dirty engine bay. But that's fine. The good thing with the dirty engine bay is you can easily see. You can easily see, how do you say this? You'd easily spot like oil leaks and stuff. That's pretty much why I don't clean my engine bay. Right, off for a little drive. Alright, so the cabin air filter did say it was last changed like 25,000 Ks. My car is right now sitting at 118, going 119,000. So I really hope and pray that the previous owner managed to buy or replace the cabin filter before then, or if not, then it would be around 6,000 Ks shy of 100K, 100,000 kilometers before I changed it. Alright, so again, you drive with your window open so that it's not gonna be as much irritating. So you still have your air conditioning in full blast, just to have your disinfectant circulate. Alrighty, so we just got back, so we've done maybe a good 10-minute drive, and wow, the car smells amazing, amazing, amazing. So what I would suggest is, if you have access to stickers, like little stickers, you might want to put another note here when this was changed. I will be doing that shortly. Yeah, I just need to look at something in the internet, specifically when cabin air filter is meant to be changed. So yeah, 118,854 kilometers as of the moment. Alrighty guys, so that wasn't actually a perfect fit for the Sakura. Normally I would go in store and compare what I took off with what I'm buying, but unfortunately, since everything else is click and collect nowadays, I wasn't able to do that. So yeah, it did slide in with just a little bit wiggle instead of a like a plush fit, I guess. Alright, so I'm looking into the internet. Hang on, let me focus this one. Alright, so there's the ventilation filter, ventilation air filter. So that's I replace every 30 kilometers. So I'm very close to 120, so I'd stick with that. So that's probably, well, hopefully that would have been my 4th replacement now, but I can't complain. I didn't know who purchased the car originally. Alright, so again, cabin air filter every 30,000 kilometers or 36 miles. Alright, bye.